I have to get over my fear. I'm gonna shit my pants. I'm so scared. Guys, I'm freaking out. We're wiggling. I need him. Me and Ethan are going to a Wisconsin Dells boat tour. We're gonna explore Witch's Gulch and something else, and it's actually really scary for me because I don't like boats and I don't like open bodies of water and I can't swim, so I'm hoping all is well. No, thank you. We made it to the duck thingy, majiggy, whatever it's called. I forget. I'm tired. I gotta pee. What the heck? Wait, there's a whole like family of birds on there. How the fuck did they get it up there? I'm so nervous to go on a boat. I have to get over my fear. Oh my god, guys, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna shit my pants. I'm so scared. Are you at least excited?
I'm excited.
Whoa. Guys, I'm freaking out. We're wiggling. We're wiggling. Oh my goodness.
The first will be at the Witch's Gulch. That's a glacial meltwater canyon where you walk above a spring-fed trout stream. Our second stop today will be at the Spring Mark of the Dells, the birthplace.
Moving object, on to moving objects, moving objects, moving passes from time to time.
Include the usage of vapes and e-cigarettes. We were sitting on top of
One of which are hydroelectric.
first boats. We didn't have much need for all that power, so they routed it down to the light on the entire Wisconsin River at 110 feet. As we pass through those jaws, take a look at the poking out along the ledge here. Kind of resembles a stack of pancakes, if you ask me. Hawk's profile. The black hawk was a tribe leader for the fox and soft tribes during the It's all the same color. Thanks for checking. That's it for those projects, but also for a camp they host there called Camp Up in the Woods. This host place to study nature because it has at least one of every type of tree indigenous to Wisconsin. That's for the two major reasons. The first being that none of the dams were there. So the water level was, and this would often result in them losing their rafts, their lumber.
Are you guys nervous as a program?
I've gotten better.
Yeah.
We're in Witch's Gulch.
Motion sick.
We having fun?
Yeah.
Let me know if you need help finding anything.
We made it to Witch's Gulch. Now we're gonna go look at food. Bruh. I think we're gonna get some nachos or something. Honestly, I don't know. I don't have very many followers. I'm having so much fun.
What not?
I am having fun. Go to Wisconsin Dells. Oh, scary.
poop. It's kind of scary.
No, it's so beautiful. I used a round brush today and my hair is so frizzy. So all my curls are coming out.
I'm eating popcorn.
He is eating popcorn. It's really stale popcorn. But popcorn on little ice. I didn't know it was gonna be a big walk. True. Oh.
Give it up for Bennett, our blue.
I need him. I already screwed it up, so don't be mad, but no, the food was ass.
It looked good.
It really did look good, but I literally just had spaghetti with eggplant. We're back. This is the only quiet spot. Ethan is taking the dogs out, and I'm too anxious to like talk in front of him to the camera. But we went to Witch's Gulch and some other sandstone thing, which is kind of cool. My curls are coming out because of the humidity. The food was kind of garbage, but the boat ride, I kind of got over my fears, like good exposure therapy. I'm gonna go down.